Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to verify your Sidra account. If you are mining Sidra, this is for you. I'm going to drop step-by-step guide on how to upload your document and verify your account. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. So once you open your Sidra account, you click on these three lines at the top left. Once you tap on it, you are now going to locate KYC port. You tap on this KYC port. So once you locate that, you can now see verify identity not verified. So I'm going to click on identity verification here, or you click on verify identity, whichever way. So once you click on it, you are going to see how to verify your identity document. First, you need to upload your document in a right way. You must make sure you have a valid ID, which you can use to upload. Now you click on this add new document, click on it. So it's going to bring this interface for you. The first one is document type. So you tap on this document type, you choose your document type. If you are using ID card, passport, driving license and others, you click on ID. Now you select your document country. If you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you are Ghana, you select Ghana. That is your document type. Whichever document you are using, make sure you connect the country document. That's Nigeria. Your nationality is Nigeria. So you choose Nigeria as a nationality. Now the language, select language English. Document ID, enter your document ID. You're going to enter your document ID. You are using your voter's card or your NIN. You put your document ID. You know your document ID. I'm going to put mine now. So once you are done putting your document ID, you are going to write your name, family. That's enter your name, the name on your ID. You are going to make sure you enter your name correctly the way it is in your ID. Your ID step by step. Right now I have already updated the first one and I have uploaded my ID, the front ID. Now the next thing that I need to do is to take a selfie, that is back ID. I'm going to upload my back ID using my ID card close to my face. And this one is now back. You are going to snap yourself using your ID card, that the back side close to your face, then you snap it and upload. So we are taking it step by step. After uploading the back ID, the next thing is to make sure that you do your face scan very clean and bright. Look at the document required. Follow these guidelines to ensure your document is accepted. It must be readable. All the text there and the numbers must be readable. So I'm going to click on now upload your ID. So after uploading your document, it will show under review. That is the first step, to upload your document both front and back, and also to take a selfie. Now the next thing now is to book appointment. We are going to book appointment. That is the next step. We are going to book appointment to complete this. So you are going to click on this view appointment. Now no schedule appointment. You can now click on book your first appointment. So these are the agencies here that you can book appointment with. So you're going to look for an agency and book. Look for any agency and book. If you know a particular agency in your location, you can book it. So I'm going to search for this particular agency in my location. I'm just going to search it. Now I'll search. I'm going to search. So once you put it, you will now see the agency. This is the agency. So I'm going to click on book appointment time. I'm going to click on book appointment. Today is Tuesday, 25th. Now you click on this to mark, then you say book appointment. Please select date today. So once you select the date today, I'm going to book 3 p.m. I'm going to look for 3 p.m. Then I'll click on book appointment with this agency today, 25th. Then I'll click on book appointment. Now you see confirm appointment booking. Now you click on confirm booking, loading your appointment. Can you see? At this stage, after booking, you can walk majestically to your location and do the verification. If you want me to tell you more about this, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I'll help you to verify your account. So finally, my ID card is approved. My account is approved. Can you see? After booking appointment, you walk majestically to your center, and the next thing you see is KYC verification approved. So you can see that here is showing verified, and coming here is identity verified. So as simple as that. So if you want to verify your Sidra account, reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I'll direct you on the steps on how to get it easily done without stressing yourself. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.